Anybody else got this issue? Whenever I turn on my BMW E93 with an M52 engine during the winter, it sounds like a ticking bomb. Like, it sounds like it's about to blow up for some reason. Look, let me show you guys real quick.
I don't know why it's so loud though. Look, let the RPMs drop and you're gonna hear the ticking. You hear what I'm saying? Y'all hear that? This can't be normal. Let me know what y'all think. And what should I do?